for Secretary Boying to become the next ombudsman. It's the new phase in the effort to get rid of VP Sara before 2028. And since the PI failed, the impeachment failed, therefore the third attempt is lawfare at its very worst. Imprison Inday Sara, all the Duterte allies, including myself, perhaps, to be harassed by cases with the new ombudsman. Plunder will be the name of the game, no bail, and imprisonment until 2028. I will be very, very surprised kung aabot si VP Sara na malaya kapag naupo itong uri ng ombudsman. Kaya ako, magpapile ako ng opposition, pati sa JBC, dahil klarong-klaro yung conflict of interest, tapos magiging magulo. Kapag itong mga kaso sa PRRD arrest will be rendered ineffective. Halimbawa, if the OIC ombudsman came to pressure, dismisses na nga the cases, pati yung MR, i-dismiss, mapupunta sa CA, sa Supreme Court, paano yan? Kahit i-reverse ng CA or Supreme Court yung OIC ombudsman orders the dismissal from service, declares he's perpetually disqualified. Paano ma-enforce yung decision na yan? Kung si Secretary Boying ay nakaupo ng ombudsman, he can only be removed by impeachment. It may not be amiss to inform the JBC as well as the present OIC ombudsman that we understand and commiserate with the unbearable, tremendous pressure to issue a clearance. That way, the JBC is apprised to scrutinize more carefully instead the circumstances surrounding the issuance of said clearance or certification, if and when that will be issued.